What's up, guys? So today's the day. Finally, from this guy to this guy. Unboxing coming soon. So, we got the Z Fold 2, my old phone that I'm currently recording on. And we're about to be unboxing this guy. Guess what's in the box? Alright, so I will be unboxing this as I go. Oops. I'm about to use this knife. Let's do this. Wow. I haven't seen this type of packaging before. Packaging material. It's like a honeycomb material. Interesting. Take this out. Toss that. A brand new phone. I never had a phone package just like this. Came out of the box. Nothing else on this paper, but... Alright, let's unravel the guy. Let's take this package. There, you need to. Oh my, what? Oh, look at all these accessories. Got this carbon fiber case. What's not included in the box is a fast charger adapter, a wall charger. This will charge pretty quick. Oh wow. This is a really heavy wireless charger that charges the phone, watch, and any other fast charging devices. Also got some smart tags. One blue and one black. All this was pretty much free since Samsung gave me a $200 credit. Oh, what is this? Oh, a pen. Finally. Z Fold 3 pen. Antimicrobial. Z Fold 3 in its glory. Size comparison between last year's model box and this year's model box is substantial. I really wanted to save some space on this phone, but you know, it made up with all these accessories that it came with. Alright guys, so we're about to unbox the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Let's see what this phone looks like. Oh man, guys, this phone, wow. Oh my, it's so much lighter. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh yeah. Oh, I wonder if they gave me the right color. 'Cause I ordered the green one, and this definitely does not look like the green one. This looks like the black one to me. I don't think this looks green. You know what you guys think. I mean, it's kind of like a greenish olive color. I don't know. This kind of looks black to me rather than a green, because I ordered the green one. Still a very nice phone. Let's see the closing on it. Oh my god, it's such a thinner phone than the last year's model. Wow, it's so refined. You can see there's a slight gap in there. Wow. Yeah, I don't know if this is the green one because it looks more black to me rather than a greenish. Look, it looks very similar to the phone that I have right now. But wow, is this refined. This is just very satisfying. Wow. Let's see what else is in this box. Nothing really much, just SIM card ejector, and that's about it. Very minimalistic this year. I gotta call Samsung and see if they gave me the right color or not, because I don't know, guys, is this a green or a black to you? Let's turn the sucker on. Whew. It's a completely different splash screen from last year's model. Very different. This feels really good in the hands. Like, wow. Even in this candy bar shape. Oh, that screen looks amazing. Let's open it up. Wow. The screen on this looks insane. This under the display camera hole is it's a little awkward, not even gonna lie. I don't know, maybe I like my old phone better, but this one's definitely more refined for sure.